welcome to the YouTube channel. Wow, looks so yummy. The soup, leg cow. Oh, smells so good. Oh my God, make you hungry. We cook it at home. Yeah, leg cow, and we buy the chicken, beef. To add more, but oh, you see, and vegetable have carrot, potato. Oh, looks so yummy, make you hungry. I see. And we add this one more. Oh, looks so yummy. Oh my God. Oh, smells so good. Oh my God. Looks so yummy, yummy. Make you hungry. Oh, wow. Unbelievable. Just buy one leg cow only, to the line half, and you make the soup cow. It's so delicious. Make you hungry. Wow. You see? Oh, it smells so good. Make you hungry. Oh my God. Yummy, yummy fruit. Hope everyone like it. Oh, let's try to cook it at home by yourself to make you hungry and delicious food. Oh, so yummy food, and so it's not expensive. Just pay to the line how to buy the leg cow, and you make soup. Oh, it's so yummy, yummy soup. Yeah.
After it get powerful.
Wow. It looks so yummy.
Powerful soup.
Wow. Oh, let's taste it. Wow, so delicious. Oh my God. Oh, so yummy, yummy. Oh, after we tasted it, sounds so good. Yeah. It's so yummy, yummy.
This one just put a minute only, and then done already can eat powerful. Get powerful soup. Healthy.
Well done. Oh. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Hope you test and cook it at home by yourself to make your yummy, and after it we got a powerful. Thank you. Goodbye. Hope you like it. Bye bye.